Are you ready to unlock an extra $50 on Cash App, even if your balance is at zero? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to activate Cash App's new overdraft coverage feature so you can access instant funds whenever you need them. First, let's quickly cover what Cash App is. It's more than just a money-sending app. You can hold a cash balance, set up savings, invest in Bitcoin or stocks, receive paychecks, pay friends, and even get special discounts using the Cash App card. Now, they've rolled out a game-changing feature called overdraft coverage, giving you up to $50 extra spending power when your balance runs out. Here's how to activate it. Open your Cash App and go to your cash balance screen. If you haven't turned it on yet, you'll see an option that says Turn on free overdraft coverage. Tap it, follow the quick setup steps, and confirm by hitting Turn on. To be eligible, you need to have at least $300 in direct deposits coming into your Cash App account each month. That can be from your job, gig work, or any regular paycheck. Once you're approved and your balance hits zero, you can still spend up to $50. The amount you use will automatically be taken from your next paycheck, so there's no worrying about late fees or manual repayments. And if you ever want to review or turn off the feature, just go back to your cash balance and tap on overdraft coverage to manage your settings. So here's the takeaway. By setting up direct deposits of $300 or more each month, you get an automatic $50 cushion in your account, making it easier to cover emergencies or unexpected expenses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more Cash App tips and money hacks. And check the description for any updated details and extra guides.